Hey, this is Anthony with GraphicsPhere. Here's a video on how to install the Roland Peck Tool, and then how to go over to your LEC-330 and download the reports and the parameter settings, and then you can save a copy of them to your hard drive. So first thing you do is the file I sent you, it's about 9 megabytes. It's a zip file, so just extract it to your desktop. Now what you want to do is double click on the setup.exe file.
Separating him from his first career victory on the PGA Tour. He has now won as a professional in 3 years on the Corn Ferry Tour when he won the 2020 Portland Open. Posted now, a little further separation for a solo second place.
Click yes. And finish. Okay, so come over to the printer. Make sure this switch is on. So that should be on. And this power should be off. So leave that off. So that way it can just connect to the network. Alright, so now to open the program, you have to go to your C drive. Should be program files x86, and then Roland DG Corporation, Peck, and then double click on peck.exe. So now this little menu pops up, and the first thing you do is select port, and this is the IP address that you gotta put in, and your IP address is going to be different than my IP address. So I'm typing in my IP address. After you're finished typing it in, just hit OK. And now hit Get Report. So, and you should see communicating, and right there you'll get all the reports from the whole printer. So after you get that on your printer, then hit save. And I'll just show you an example of what I've named my files for the report. So I'll just show you in here real quick. So that's what I named mine. You could probably do the exact same. Roland LEC-330 original report, and the file type is .pec. So then after you do that, just hit save. And yeah, just hit save. So it'll save it to wherever you want it to save it to. And now after you did get report, the next thing to do is to get parameters. So the parameters are the actual like firmware, including all the settings. So that'll be what I need to actually flash to my LEC-330 to get it to switch inks. And again, I'll just go through the file name that I used. So I use this one right there, Roland LEC-330 original parameters. And notice that one doesn't have a file type on the end of it. or like a file extension, so just leave it like that. So that's what it should say right there, and then just hit save. So those are the two files I need. They're very small files too, but it makes up the entire backup of all your settings in your whole LEC-330. So one file for the parameters is 14 kilobytes, and the report is about 26 kilobytes. So once you get those two files, you could just send them to me over email to my email, sales@graphicsphere.net. Thank you.